Hello, hi, good morning. This is Natalia Lizalde, Chief Business Officer here at VIVEbiotech, and the reason why I'm talking to you is because today we signed 3 additional batches for an in vivo lentiviral vector therapy. I think this is a very good news because it reinforces our track record in this kind of therapies. Indeed, as you may know, we are already working in 12 programs in which lentiviral vectors are being used in vivo, a couple of them treating already patients. In addition to that, well, as you know, we have been 10 years in the field. We have been working for 50 different international clients in US, Europe, Australia, Asia, and so on. Of course, for ex vivo, and as I could mention today, for in vivo. So it will be our pleasure if you could contact us to discuss your lentiviral vector, and from there, we will be happy to see how we can best adapt to your requirements. So thank you very much, and yeah, looking forward to your contact.